Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials ready. Ease Focus 3 installed and permissions granted. First, open the app and sign in. Make sure microphone and notifications are allowed so features work. Next, create a session profile, set duration to 25 minutes and break to 5 minutes, or adjust to your rhythm. Once done, pick a soundscape and enable focus mode. These steps start the timer and active blocking rules. Follow them now so the app can enforce your settings immediately. Continue by customizing how strict Ease Focus 3 will be. Open blocking and add apps or websites that derail you. Use wildcards for domains to cover variations. Then fine-tune intensity, mute notifications, set white noise level, and enable focus boosts for tougher tasks. Make sure schedules match your day. Set recurring sessions and sync across devices so you can pick up where you left off. These controls shape the middle of your workflow. They determine how well focus holds over time. To wrap up, end the session when the timer expires or stop it manually and take the scheduled break. Review session stats to see focus, time, and distractions blocked. Export logs or sync results to your calendar for accountability and adjust settings for the next run. If blocking does not work, restart the app first, then re-grant permissions and clear cache. If needed, reinstall. That troubleshooting step solves most issues. Make sure to test one change at a time so you know what fixed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.